Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Today I'm here with another recipe. I'm going to make chili garlic mushroom. So this is the mushroom that I'm going to use. I haven't cut it. I will cut it into small pieces. Okay, now I'm going to cut it. If you want, you can cut it in bigger pieces also. But I'm cutting it in small pieces. This mushroom you can easily get it in any sabji mandi. In Nagaland, like we usually get, I think it's oyster mushroom. But in Gurgaon and Delhi, this mushroom we can get. I've cut all the mushrooms. Now we are going to heat the pan and I'm going to use this butter. We have to melt this butter. Okay, now it's done. I'm going to fry this mushroom first. Stir it properly. Now I will add the salt. We have to let the mushroom cook properly. The mushroom itself releases much water, so we have to let it dry. See, I haven't added any water, but still see, it looks like I've added water. By the time I will boil these dry chilies also, we will add these dry chilies in the mushroom. So I will boil it separately. इतना पानी निकल रहा है. Slowly the water is drying up. Now the water is fully dry. Now we can clearly see the butter. Let me check. Yeah, it's cooked properly. Now I'm going to pound it. I'm not doing it in a blender or anything. Wow, it's fried properly. Now I'm going to add ginger, garlic, we will let it cook for a minute. Now we'll add the onions. Spring onion. Try till all the ingredients are cooked properly. We'll add the chili now. I'm adding some Kashmiri mirch powder also. Well, it's cooked properly. Now I'll garnish it with spring onion. You can use coriander leaves also. After adding the spring onion, you can off the flame. It's done. Wow, it looks so yummy. Well guys, I'm going to try it. It tastes so different with butter. Mushrooms are fried properly. You can enjoy it with these raw spring onions. Well guys, I really like this recipe. If you also like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you will know whenever I'm uploading a new video. So we will meet you in the next video. Bye.